Country fried steak. Are you ready for this?
We're ready. Let's go.
I have shortening melting here that I'm going to fry these cube steaks in. I have potatoes here for mashed potatoes, and I'm going to turn them on because it'll take them a little time. Good. Now I leave the lid off a little bit because I don't want it to boil over. But now I really got to get to doing this meat. I have all these spices in this flour. One is garlic powder, onion powder, pepper, white pepper, salt, seasoned salt, and a little garlic salt. And you just have to work with it to your taste. It might not be as hot as mine, but I think these people eat everything hot, so we'll try that. Now I'm going to dip it in the flour and just roll it over.
You cut them up into smaller pieces too.
I did cut it in smaller pieces. It's easier to handle. And if you want to make a sandwich tomorrow, if you've got any left over, that works too. It's just flour and egg and milk and water. Oh. Fry this so good. You ready for that? It's gonna look good in a minute. But right now, it's do this fast. I'm slow. I'm too old for this. Terri doesn't think so. I kind of learned it all by myself because I like it. But when I go to the Cracker Barrel, they don't use flour and egg, they use breadcrumbs or something. And I like the grilled chicken fried steak. And this is the way I fried chicken too. Taught Mark how to do that one time. I know Terri did because she asked me to cook what I think all my kids like. Well, I had to teach my grandsons how to fry this because they'd have worn me out just frying it for them. Got to get these pieces all in here. I'm going to try to turn this up. My mom wasn't a very good cook.
No.
No, but my grandma could. And I always went to grandma's.
You paid attention to what she made?
Exactly. I mean, hey, she had ham and bacon, and Mama did, and she was a Seventh-day Adventist, and they didn't eat pork. So I'd go to Grandma's. She was good to me. I think she thought I was perfect because I didn't cry. I know my kids weren't allowed to be crybabies. Oh my God, I'd have died if they cried all the time. they knew I was cooking, they shut up because they did like to eat. I used to be good at having that dinner made at 6 o'clock. I've done a lot of things in my life, but 6 o'clock was dinner time. Here it goes. I'm about to get done with these. Takes 2 skillets. I don't have a great old big one, so I have to use the little ones. And that's about it. I had about 3 cups of flour in this. Just so you got enough to go around. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Well, what are y'all gonna eat?
That's not fair, Mark. Not fair. Turn it up a little bit. There it is. I got the potatoes going, the meat's cooking. I'm gonna wash my hands. Oh, yeah.
Got your little helper. Got your little helper down there.
Yeah. Dude, he just waiting for me to drop some of the meat.
He knows good things when he smells it too.
Oh, you gotta watch them and turn them. Oh, yeah, look at that. Just getting good. Real good, yeah. As soon as I get them all browned in here, then I'm gonna stick them in the oven. And it just makes all the grease fall off of them. And that way you don't get it all over your face, you know. Just wanted to get a little crispy. Oh, the potatoes are boiling. Got it working. Let me put this over here in the sink and I'll have more room. Now for this gravy, I'm gonna take 2 big tablespoons of this flour and put it in this pan. And then I'm gonna take half quarter of butter. Just cut it and put it in the pan. We're gonna make a little what I call a roux. A lot of young people don't know how to make this gravy. But I'll tell you what, it sure is good. That's good you went volunteer to do that. At least I won't drop the pan on the floor. You never know. Accidents happen. I got this little gravy maker that keeps all the lumps out. Oh, yeah. I like that part. My uncle went in the Navy and he wrote back to my grandma. Said, they can't make gravy like you, it's got lumps in it. Whoa, what's coming out of me? Oh, that's not supposed to be in there. But it is. I got the roux going, I'm adding the milk, and we're gonna have some gravy.
How much milk do you put in?
There's a good cup and a half. I don't want to make too much because we might not eat it. Yeah, put it in this rack with so it don't stick to the bottom of the pan. Hey, I got that down pat. Got it going. Stir this gravy a little bit. Oh yeah. Just let it cook a little bit. It's gonna be alright, but I bet you it won't have lumps. Now I got to put this in there. Right on the middle. And you better watch it.
Close up the honky tonks, lock on the doors. Don't let the one I love go back.
What have I got going on over here? Have to look. I'm cleaning it up. Look at that. Oh, just like it never happened. If you know what I mean. Come my time to spend with you. Oh, I better turn it up. Yeah. Oh,
If it ain't thick, crank it up, huh?
yeah. That's what you do. If it don't get done in time, turn the fire up. Turn the oven up. I don't know if them potatoes are done. We'll have to look. Everything. Almost. Yeah, another couple of minutes. And they'll be done. Hurry up, gravy. I'm losing my patience. I'm hungry. And I got flour on me. At least you can see it.
Well, they call us their own crowd. They're rough cut and too loud. But friends, I am sure proud to call you my family. We've been put through life's fires. We may be scarred, but we're survivors. So here's a song for the wrong crowd, and a toast to your good company.
Look at that. I'm doing good. I'm just about done. Is everybody hungry?
Yeah.
You're not talking to me, Terri. What you do?
I am.
Yelling, hurry up. I'm like the kids in the back seat. Are we there yet?
You know me, I'll tell you I'm hungry.
Oh, man. Oh, this gravy looking good. And look at that. That's good salt and gravy. Well, I know everybody loves gravy, but they don't know how to do this. They don't have one of these, that's for sure. Let me go check. See what this chicken fried steak looks like. Oh, I'll turn the light on it. Oh yeah, it's looking good. I guess it's ready, don't you? But it got brown. Look at that. Turn that oven off.
Always.
Hey, I'm good at that. I'm telling you.
Who have you made this dinner for?
Oh. Well, I got 4 kids, 7 grandkids, and 5 great-grandkids. And I think they've all eaten my cooking now and then. I was kind of busy. But then my grandkids were busy too. Look, tater done. Pour a little bit of this tater water in here. Just a little bit. That just makes it taste good. Potato gravy is still good. It helps the gravy. But just look at that. Is that good gravy? Well, now we gotta put some butter in that. Yeah, here's my good old knife. But
And milk.
we don't got a whole lot of taters. That's true. Whoa.
And milk.
Yeah, we got milk right here, honey.
Say when.
When? Huh? Well, I kind of like it. Once my grandkids taught me something.
In the top of that door. Package there.
Oh, everybody likes to put everything up higher than me. They must think I was gonna steal it, eat it. I don't know. I'm through.
Any last words?
My last word, I hope you all like it. Cause I'm gonna have some too. This time, it's me, I get to eat. Are you gonna watch? I'll let you know if it's good or not. I have to put a little salt and pepper on mine just to look good, you know. I usually don't salt anything a lot because everybody I know salts it more. Let me have one bite. And I will tell you real quick if that's what it is. If I didn't love you, I wouldn't do it.